Ever pondered the impact of merging knowledge from diverse fields to create something groundbreaking? Welcome to the world of cross-disciplinary innovation, a realm where boundaries are blurred and the fusion of different fields leads to novel ideas and solutions. Cross-disciplinary innovation, as the name suggests, is the integrative process of applying knowledge and methods from various disciplines to generate innovative ideas, products, or solutions. It's all about making unexpected connections, rethinking established norms, and embracing a holistic view of knowledge. The significance of cross-disciplinary innovation cannot be overstated. It's a catalyst for creativity, a pathway to progress, and a key driver of societal advancement. It encourages us to think outside the box, to venture beyond our comfort zones, and to view problems and opportunities through a fresh lens. History is brimming with examples of cross-disciplinary innovations that have revolutionized our world. Consider the invention of the computer, a groundbreaking innovation that emerged from the intersection of mathematics, engineering, and theoretical science. Or take the advent of the Internet, an unprecedented technological achievement that has its roots in computer science, electrical engineering, and communication theory. The mechanism of idea transfer across disciplines is a fascinating process. It begins with the identification of a problem or opportunity that transcends the boundaries of a single discipline. Knowledge, methods, and perspectives from various fields are then integrated to create an innovative solution. This process involves a great deal of creativity, collaboration, and out-of-the-box thinking. As we delve deeper into the world of cross-disciplinary innovation, we'll explore how art and science have historically influenced each other, the impact of digital humanities, the principles of ecological economics, and how engineering and design thinking are revolutionizing healthcare. We'll also examine how cognitive science principles can inform effective teaching strategies, the role of interdisciplinary approaches in public policy, and how entrepreneurs can leverage knowledge from various fields to create unique business models. So buckle up and prepare for a journey of unexpected connections and groundbreaking ideas. As we traverse the landscape of cross-disciplinary innovation, we'll discover how this powerful approach can inspire us to think differently, challenge the status quo, and drive meaningful change. As we delve into the world of cross-disciplinary innovation, prepare for a journey of unexpected connections and groundbreaking ideas. Did you know that art and science have been inspiring each other for centuries? This might seem surprising, but history is filled with examples of this remarkable synergy. Let's take the ultimate Renaissance man, Leonardo da Vinci, as a case in point. His artistic mastery was deeply intertwined with his scientific explorations. His detailed anatomical drawings, for instance, were not just artistic masterpieces, but also important scientific documents that advanced our understanding of the human body. Da Vinci's genius lay in his ability to seamlessly merge the worlds of art and science. In the realm of architecture, the concept of biomimicry provides another fascinating example of the science-art nexus. The term biomimicry refers to the practice of designing buildings and systems inspired by nature. It's a way of solving human problems by emulating the best ideas that nature has to offer. For instance, the Eastgate Center in Harare, Zimbabwe, uses a passive cooling system inspired by termite mounds. This not only makes the building more sustainable, but also creates a visually stunning structure. In the digital age, art and technology continue to converge in exciting ways. Digital art technologies like virtual reality, augmented reality, and 3D printing have opened up new avenues for artistic expression. These tools allow artists to create immersive experiences that challenge our perceptions and push the boundaries of traditional art forms. We can tap into this potent mix of art and science in our own lives too. Try this. Next time you're faced with a problem, approach it like an artist. Sketch out your ideas, play with different perspectives, and don't be afraid to color outside the lines. Then, switch gears and think like a scientist. Test your ideas, analyze your results, and refine your approach based on what you learn. This dance between creativity and inquiry can lead to some truly innovative solutions. The fusion of art and science can unleash a powerhouse of creativity and innovation. So, the next time you think these two fields are worlds apart, remember, they're actually two sides of the same coin, each inspiring and enriching the other in unexpected ways. Can technology and humanities coexist? And moreover, can they innovate together? This may seem like an unusual question, but in the realm of cross-disciplinary innovation, it's a fascinating reality. Let's delve into the impact of digital humanities. In an age where we are overwhelmed with data, the humanities can provide a meaningful context. Humanities scholars are leveraging computational tools to analyze massive amounts of text, images, and historical records. This digital humanities approach is unveiling new insights, from uncovering hidden patterns in literature to visualizing the spread of ideas across time and space. Now, imagine teaching a machine to appreciate literature. It sounds far-fetched, right? But artificial intelligence is making strides in literature analysis. Advanced algorithms are now capable of identifying themes, analyzing sentiment, and even predicting plot developments in written works. This not only offers a new lens to appreciate literature, but also opens up avenues for exploring the human condition through machine learning. But what about the ethical considerations at this intersection? As technology becomes more entwined with the humanities, we need to tread carefully. We must ensure that our digital tools respect the integrity and nuances of human culture and that they promote inclusivity rather than perpetuate biases. And finally, let's explore the role of technology in preserving and interpreting cultural heritage. From 3D scanning ancient artifacts to virtual reality tours of historical sites, technology is opening new doors to our past. These digital preservation efforts are democratizing access to cultural heritage, allowing us to experience and learn from history like never before. The convergence of technology and humanities is indeed an exciting frontier. It's not just about using new tools to study old subjects. It's about creating a dialogue between two seemingly disparate fields and finding innovative ways to understand and preserve our shared human experience. The convergence of technology and humanities can redefine our cultural understanding and preservation. Can the principles of ecology guide us towards a more sustainable economic future? It's a compelling question, isn't it? Let's delve into the world of ecological economics, a field that marries the study of ecosystems with economic theory. It's all about recognizing the inherent value of nature and integrating that understanding into our economic practices. Ecological economists argue that traditional economic models, which view natural resources as infinite and easily substitutable, are fundamentally flawed. Instead, they propose the concept of a circular economy, a system that mirrors nature's own cycle of life and death, production and decomposition. In a circular economy, waste isn't just waste, it's a resource. By reusing, recycling, and reinventing, we can minimize our footprint and create more sustainable business models. Now, you might be wondering, that's all well and good in theory, but does it work in the real world? The answer is a resounding yes. Just look at companies like Patagonia and Interface. They've not only adopted circular economic principles, but have thrived doing so. Patagonia, the outdoor clothing company, has a business model that encourages customers to repair, reuse, and recycle their products. Interface, a global commercial flooring company, has committed to becoming carbon neutral and has developed carpet tiles that can be fully recycled into new ones. These are just a couple of examples, but they illustrate how businesses can innovate towards sustainability while still being profitable. So, how do we encourage more businesses to follow suit? One strategy is to use policy and regulatory measures to incentivize sustainable practices. Another is to educate business leaders, consumers, and the public about the benefits of a circular economy, not just for the environment, but also for long-term economic growth. The task is undoubtedly challenging, but the potential rewards are immense. By harnessing the principles of ecology in our economic practices, we can move towards a future where businesses thrive and nature is respected and preserved. The intersection of economics and ecology can help us build a sustainable future, and that's a future worth striving for. Can engineering and design thinking revolutionize healthcare? That's the question we're exploring today. In the realm of healthcare, biomedical engineering has emerged as a transformative force. Biomedical engineering lies at the intersection of technology and medicine, harnessing the power of advanced engineering principles to improve human health. Whether it's creating sophisticated medical devices, developing advanced diagnostic tools, or pioneering new treatments, biomedical engineering is reshaping the healthcare landscape. Take the example of the artificial pancreas, an innovation that has revolutionized the lives of people with type 1 diabetes. This device, born out of biomedical engineering, automatically monitors and regulates blood sugar levels, eliminating the need for constant manual checks and insulin injections. But the impact of engineering on healthcare doesn't stop at biomedical advancements. Design thinking, a method typically associated with product development and business strategy, is now making waves in the healthcare sector. Consider the case of a hospital in California that used design thinking to improve the patient experience. By observing and empathizing with patients, the hospital team identified pain points in the patient journey. They then prototyped and tested solutions, leading to significant improvements in patient satisfaction. This example highlights how design thinking can be employed to create patient-centered solutions, improving not only health outcomes but also the overall patient experience. As we look to the future, the convergence of biomedical engineering and design thinking holds exciting potential for personalized medicine. Imagine a world where treatments are tailored to our unique genetic makeup, where medical devices adapt to our personal needs, where healthcare systems are designed around our individual experiences. This vision, once a distant dream, is now within our grasp thanks to the cross-disciplinary approach of engineering and design thinking. So, can engineering and design thinking revolutionize healthcare? The answer is a resounding yes. As we've seen, these disciplines have already made significant strides in improving healthcare, and their potential is far from exhausted. With continued innovation and collaboration, engineering and design thinking can be the catalysts for the next wave of healthcare innovations. Can cognitive science and technology reshape the way we learn and teach? Let's dive into this thought-provoking question. Cognitive science, the interdisciplinary study of the mind and its processes, has a lot to offer in reshaping teaching strategies. By understanding how students process and retain information, educators can tailor their teaching methods to maximize learning outcomes. For instance, cognitive science suggests that active learning, where students participate beyond just listening, significantly enhances memory retention. This could be through discussions, problem-solving sessions, or hands-on activities. But how does technology fit into this equation? Imagine an interactive digital platform where students can visualize complex concepts, experiment with variables in real time, and receive immediate feedback. This isn't a far-off dream. In fact, it's rapidly becoming the norm. Technology is creating accessible and engaging learning environments, breaking down traditional barriers in education. Let's look at a few innovative examples. Take Minecraft, Education Edition, for instance. This popular game is not just about building virtual worlds, but is used as a tool to teach subjects from history to chemistry. Its interactive nature encourages active learning, fostering creativity and problem-solving skills. Then there's Duolingo, the language learning app that uses machine learning to adapt to a user's learning style. It employs principles of cognitive science, such as spaced repetition and active recall, to enhance language acquisition. Another fascinating case is the Global Online Academy, a platform that offers rigorous online courses to students worldwide, emphasizing interaction and collaboration. This model not only leverages technology to reach a global audience, but also utilizes cognitive science principles to ensure effective learning. These examples show us that the marriage of cognitive science and technology can create powerful tools for education. They offer not just information but experiences, fostering a deeper understanding and love for learning. In conclusion, the fusion of cognitive science and technology can revolutionize education. This cross-disciplinary approach has the potential to transform our classrooms, redefine teaching strategies, and most importantly, empower learners in ways we've never thought possible. Can interdisciplinary approaches foster innovative solutions to societal issues? Let's dive in. In the realm of public policy, cross-disciplinary innovation isn't just a fancy buzzword, it's a necessity. The complexities of modern societal issues require a holistic approach that draws upon the strengths of various disciplines. By intersecting social sciences, technology, and environmental studies, we can create policies that are not only innovative but also effective and inclusive. Consider, for example, the development of smart cities. This concept marries urban planning, environmental science, and information technology to create urban spaces that are sustainable, efficient, and responsive to citizens' needs. It's an exciting frontier where technologists and policymakers work hand in hand with environmental scientists to craft policies that shape the cities of the future. Similarly, the pressing issue of climate change demands a cross-disciplinary response. Here, environmental science provides the understanding of the problem, technology offers tools to combat it, and social sciences help understand human behavior and guide policymaking. This intricate dance of disciplines, each contributing its unique perspective, leads to innovative solutions that a single discipline couldn't hope to achieve alone. Now, fostering such interdisciplinary collaboration in policymaking is no easy task. It requires open-mindedness, flexibility, and a willingness to step outside one's comfort zone. Policymakers need to actively seek the expertise of diverse professionals and create platforms where meaningful dialogue can take place. They must also embrace the iterative nature of innovation, allowing policies to evolve as new insights emerge. Moreover, educational institutions have a crucial role to play. By promoting interdisciplinary learning and research, they can prepare the next generation of policymakers to think beyond disciplinary boundaries. After all, the solutions of tomorrow will not come from silos, they will emerge from the intersections. So to answer our opening question, yes, interdisciplinary approaches can indeed foster innovative solutions to societal issues. And in a world where these issues are increasingly complex and interlinked, such cross-disciplinary innovation is not just desirable, it's essential. Interdisciplinary collaboration can lead to innovative and effective public policies. Can entrepreneurs create unique business models by leveraging knowledge from various fields? Indeed, the answer is a resounding yes. Entrepreneurs are the adventurers of the business world, navigating uncharted territories, and their compass is knowledge. By blending insights from technology, humanities, arts, and sciences, they forge new paths that lead to unique business models. Consider the case of startups that have achieved success through cross-disciplinary innovation. They've not just combined different fields, but they've truly integrated them, creating a symphony of ideas that resonates with their target market. But how do they do it? It starts with fostering an interdisciplinary mindset. Tools and methodologies like design thinking and systems thinking play a crucial role here. They allow entrepreneurs to see the big picture, to see the connections between seemingly disparate fields, and to apply insights from one field to another. Entrepreneurs who embrace cross-disciplinary innovation can create unique and successful business models.